Components of PowerPoint window.
Various components of the PowerPoint windows are Title bar. It is located at the top of the MS PowerPoint window. It shows the name of the current presentation. Ribbon. It contains multiple tabs, each with several groups of commands.
Quick Access Toolbar. It appears in the top left corner of the PowerPoint 2016 screen. It has icons for features that are used frequently, such as Save, Undo, Redo, and Customize Quick Access Toolbar icons.
File tab. It displays a backstage view. It has commands such as print, save, open, etc. Slide. It is a page in a presentation. Placeholder. It is a dotted box on a slide which may contain text, picture, video, etc. Slides. Outline pane. It is located on the left side of the window. The slides pane shows thumbnail of each of the slides in the presentation.
With slide number, the outline pane shows a text outline of all the information on the slides. It gives an overview of your presentation. It allows you to reorder the slides in the presentation.
Status bar. It is located at the bottom of the MS PowerPoint window. It displays information about the number of the current slide, total number of slides, and the design theme used.